Hi, it's Lester, and I just want to show you how to use this overtime calculator found in a timesheet called .xyz. So the main purpose of this online tool is just it only separates regular working hours from overtime hours. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. For example, you have a settings here, so let's get right into it. So if you have a settings here at overtime after 8 hours, and this input format, actually this input format is bound in here. So if you want to add, like, so the employee or you are spending like 9 hours and 45 minutes, so your regular time according to the overtime setting is just overtime after 8 hours a day. So if you calculate that, regular time is 8 hours and the overtime is 1.75 hours. So you can add more row, like if you like 8 hours and 23 minutes, so that overtime is um, 8 hours and 0.38 minutes. So if I add row again, like 40 hours and 25 minutes, so that would be 8 hours and 32 hours for the overtime. So if you have overtime after 40 hours a week, so if I calculate, so as you can see, there's no from the overtime, it's because we have changed it to 40. So these are the changes. So 40 hours and 0.417 hours is the overtime. For the rest, it has no overtime because it's overtime after 40. So that's pretty much how to um, use the calculator. You can just delete that and start again, like 8 hours, something like that. If I change it to overtime of the 8 hours, so that's pretty much it. How to use the calculator, and a much better calculator for this is fine, a timesheet calculator, just in case you want to have a timesheet like this. So yeah, make sure to check that out, like this overtime calculator and the timesheet calculator. That's pretty much it. How to use the overtime calculator. Thank you.